In this video, we will show different ways to present scheduling results after the planning process. Planning for the sake of planning makes no sense. Results must be clear, practical, and ready for further work. Let's begin with the solution finder. The most illustrative result is the set of blocks assigned to each planning period. By visualizing them interval by interval, we can track the location and intensity of mining. After that, we move to detailed analysis with tables and charts. Every table can generate a chart. The tables are clear and informative, and they can be exported to Excel. Next are the graphical outputs. In the scheduling module, we can export wireframes from the calculated results. Each wireframe shows the pit position at the end of a planning period. The more accurate the input data, the more accurate the wireframe. We adjust display settings and export the results directly to Kmine. Another option is polylines. They can also be exported to Kmine with selected display parameters. Polylines are organized in the layer editor in a logical order: layer name, interval number with block model name, mining area, and level. This structure helps separate priority polylines and supports the planning and design process. Now let's look at manual scheduling. This approach places mining equipment units on production areas. To enable full reporting, stockpiles, processing plants, and the hauling network should be configured. Excavation can be calculated without these settings, but reporting is much more detailed when all parameters are included. For our users, we prepared pre-configured charts. They show key planning parameters from the block model stage: ore tonnage by type, stripping volumes by category, and ore quality indicators. There are also charts with percentage views of mining intensity and excavator utilization. Chart grouping parameters can be adjusted as needed. We can also examine the sequence of mining areas based on daily excavation. This allows us to predict the pit position at any point in the schedule. We added the ability to export a wireframe not only for the end of a period, but also for any specific day chosen in the calendar. Values are calculated for each day and visualized together with the date. Next, we move to the reporting tables of manual scheduling. Here we can evaluate the quantity, quality, and type of material for each period. The information is detailed down to mining areas and levels within intervals. Two main reports are available. One shows the distribution of material by mining areas and the other by excavators. This allows us to see both the work at each site and the activity of each equipment unit. The most detailed report includes hauling. It provides 5 tables with full information: loading points, dumping points, material types, stockpile movements, and an overall hauling summary. Each table groups data to reflect the mining conditions from every perspective. Manual scheduling results can also be exported as wireframes and polylines. All scheduling results can be saved into a separate field of the block model. This applies to both automatic scheduling and manual scheduling with equipment units. Plan, analyze, and enjoy the results.